In this video we will show you what a machine light is, what it is used for, and how ifm's DV3010 and DV3011 versions work, including unboxing and setup. A machine light is an LED light that integrates directly into machines or systems. It illuminates work areas and signals machine conditions, such as faults, operational readiness or warnings. Machine lights are used in industrial automation, for example in the food industry, on production lines or in maintenance. They are robust, energy efficient and meet the standards of fire protection classes such as IP69K. Each machine light comes in secure packaging with all relevant information. A QR code on the packaging links directly to the product page on the ifm website. The DV3010 version features an M12 connection, a robust CPU/PA housing and gold plate contacts. The DV3011 adds a second connection for serious connection. Both versions are compact in length, weigh about 100 grams and have a slim design with a 28 by 16 cross-section, ideal for tight installation spaces. Now for the initial setup. The DV3010 has one M12 connection, while the DV3011 is equipped with two connections, making it perfect for serious connection. The DV3010 and DV3011 versions are RGBW machine lights delivering a light intensity of 400 lux at 1 meter distance and a color temperature of 5000 K. The colors red, green, blue and white can be controlled individually via digital inputs, ideal for signaling machine conditions. The DV3010 and DV3011 machine lights are powerful, versatile and hygienic, perfect for modern industry applications. For more information visit ifm.com or scan the QR code on the packaging.